Hey everybody, it's Joe, and I'm knitting today. I lost my hat. Probably wondering why I wasn't wearing my hat. Although in the videos on this channel I don't wear my hat a lot. But this is why I'm a certified grandma. I learned knitting when I was in 4th grade. I was talking to somebody in the class. I'm sorry, my mind's wandering, and I'm tired, and I had no sleep last night, so that was just me. Oh, sometimes I start to say something and I don't remember what I was gonna say, so I just launch into a speech pattern. And no, there was my 4th grade was really fucking cool. We did a thing where we went to a historic place called Sutter's Fort. I lived in California, in Davis, California to be specific, and in the GATE program, they would do a little bit extra for us, and they did this thing where we dressed up as historic characters, and we each got a specific person that actually lived during that time. And we went to Sutter's Fort, which was a historic fort, or an historic fort, that existed during the California Gold Rush. And we masqueraded as people who lived at that time. And it was a fort where people would come in from the East Coast or wherever they lived, and that's where they would enter California. They would be at Sutter's Fort, arrive it's in Sacramento, and use that place as it's like a trading post, like kind of like a big rest stop, kind of like if you're in Texas here, it'd be like Buc-ee's or like any big old rest stop where you could stay, you could rest, you could sleep, you could trade. They had a lot of food, dancing, stuff like that. Like an 1850s rest stop, and it was pretty amazing. It's pretty amazing. I was Kit Carson. To be somebody that famous, I had to write an essay, and an essay about why I wanted to be that, why I think I deserved it, and I wanted to be Frank Sutter. I think Frank might be getting his first name wrong. John Sutter. I don't know why I said Frank. I wanted to be John Sutter, but I got Kit Carson, which is pretty fucking cool. Still awesome, and for preparation, one of the parents, the parent of my 4th grade crush, Aaron Siobhan. If you're listening to this, Aaron Siobhan, I had a crush on you in 4th grade. Shocker, I think she knew. It was pretty obvious. There's one time she was like right in front of me in line, and she turned around, and I was like standing really close to her, and she got like, her face was super close to mine, and like I could smell her breath, and I was like, oh my god, it's like I almost kissed her. I was like 10. I hadn't kissed a girl ever. It was the closest I got until I actually kissed a girl later. That's really funny. Yeah, but her mom, she had the most gorgeous blue eyes, probably still does. But her mom taught the class how to knit. The guys knit hats and the girls knit shawls. And I just never stopped. And this is something I started this morning. And I haven't been doing it consistently. If I've been doing it consistently, it would be done by now. But it's ribbed. It's got green and blue. The light here is a bit like warm colored, so figured I'd show you some knitting and show you why it's awesome. I started a knitting club at Rutgers right before I left. That was pretty cool. It was fun. Went to a couple knitting meetups here in Austin. I am a certified grandma. You'd never guess by looking at me. I don't look like I would knit, but looks can be deceiving. Also, from what I understand, knitting was invented by fishermen who wanted to make fishing nets. So now it's by grandmas who make sweaters, but it was originally a very manly thing. Anyway, enjoy your day, and don't be ashamed to do anything you want to do, especially if it's creative. I think creativity and creative people are fucking cool, and I would love to just fucking be around creative people and creativity. So, cheers.